Hello Year 4, so just like I said, a video to help us understand stealing and when we're trying to take a larger number away from a small one. So for our first one we've got 64 take away 35, so as we do with everything, 64 there and then 35 underneath with our takeaway sign over here. Now if we wanted to take 5 away from 4, we know that we can't do it. So what we do now is what's called stealing. We're going to steal 10 from over here. So our 6 now becomes a 7 and our 4 becomes, no, it becomes a 5, sorry. And our 4 becomes 14. So now we can do 14 take away 5, which we know is 9. And then just as before, 5 take away 3 is 2. Okay, so if we come over here, exactly the same again, but with slightly larger numbers. So 782 take away 473. Now, again, I can't do 2 take away 3, so I have to steal one from this side. So my 8 becomes a 7, and the one that I've stolen becomes over here. 12 take away 3 is, again, 9. 7 take away 7 is 0, and 7 take away 4 is 3, so our new number is 309. Try it again with slightly larger numbers one more time. So we have 5,237 take away 1,247. 7 take away 7, we can do that this time, is 0. 3 take away 4, we can't do that, so we have to steal from over here. So our 2 becomes a 1, and the 1 that we stole comes over here to make 13. 13 take away 4 is 9. 1 take away 2, again we can't do it, so we have to steal from the next column. So that becomes 4, and that becomes 11. 11 take away 2, we can do that, is 9 again, and 4 take away 1 is 3. Okay, this one, we're looking at decimals with this one, which is a little bit trickier because we've got to jump over that decimal point. So my number is 9,642, my decimal point, 0.3, so it's 3/10. Take away 4,642.5. Okay, with my takeaway symbol in there. Now again, we can't do 3 take away 5, so we have to steal one from over here. So my 2 becomes a 1, and the 1 that I've stolen jumps to there. 13 take away 5 is 8. Oops, sorry, wrong pen. Is 8. Okay, now I must put my decimal point in because it always carries down. 1 take away 2, we can't do that, so we have to steal from over here. That becomes 3, and that becomes 11. 11 take away 2 is 9. 3 take away 4, again we can't do it, so we have to steal from here. My 6 becomes a 5, I put my 1 onto there, now it's 13 take away 4. We can do that, which is 9. And yet again, 5 take away 6, we can't do that. So I steal from here, my 9 becomes an 8, and my 1 goes over there. 15 take away 6 is 9. And we can do 8 take away 4, which is 4. So my new number is 4,999.8. And for this one, it gets a little bit trickier still because we've got that number in the middle, that's 0. So I'm going to set it out, 6,700 with my placeholder there, and 4 take away 2,785, so 2,785. Now, as before, 4 take away 5. We can't do that, so we need to steal from the next column, but there's nothing there. So what we do here is we move on to the next one. So we take that 7 and turn it into a 6, and that becomes 10. Now we can steal from here, so we cross that out, and our 10 becomes a 9, and the one that we took from here goes on to our 14. Now we can do 14 take away 5, which is 9. We can do 9 take away 8, which is 1. We can't do 6 take away 7, so we need to steal from here, and that becomes 5. That becomes 16. So now we can do 16 take away 7, which is 9, and 5 take away 2 is 3. If you need to watch the video again, just to help you out, please do. But that is how we do stealing when we're taking larger numbers away from smaller numbers. Thank you.